Is Nanakin 2 a dirty player? In my opinion, no, he's not.
Just when they thought I was out, they pull me back in.
So, as you all know, yesterday was Thanksgiving, and as usual, the Detroit Lions play on Thanksgiving. Now, we all think, should they play, shouldn't they play on Thanksgiving? Because the last 10-15 years, they suck. But that's a different story. But yesterday, Duncan Sue just stomped on some guy's hand on the Packers, and then he said that he didn't do nothing, and I agree with him. He was just trying to get up, stand up, and the lineman from the Packers, he was pulling him down. I'm like, come on, you all saw what he did. He was pulling him down, and Sue couldn't get up, so he just smacked him. What's so bad about that? I mean, like, come on. That's not dirty. That's nothing bad. I expect a fine. A suspension? Maybe. Depends on who you ask. But people are saying that they're gonna suspend him for 2 games, fine him. Come on, you either do one or the other. If I was the commissioner, I would fine him at least between $100 and $150,000. Suspend him maybe for a quarter or two, but he didn't do nothing bad. He didn't kill nobody. He didn't hold nobody. He just stomped on him because the offensive lineman was trying to pull him down when he was getting up. That's it. Period. Story solved. But people are making him out to be some badass guy who wants nothing but trouble, wants nothing but hold. He didn't do nothing. He just trying to kick him because the other guy was pulling him down. That's it. End of story.